Contains 1 13-pound bag of NUTRO Natural Choice Large Breed Adult Dry Dog Food, Chicken and Brown Rice Recipe for large breed dogs ages 18 months and older. Real chicken is the #1 ingredient. Made with non-GMO ingredients, no chicken byproduct meal, corn, wheat, or soy. High-quality protein source is the #1 ingredient in the delicious dry kibble. Designed to help keep your large breed dog trim and fit. Natural sources of glucosamine and chondroitin, formulated to support healthy joints. Formulated to support healthy immunity with essential antioxidants. Cooked in our USA facilities with the finest ingredients from around the world. Give your pet the wholesome ingredients they love with NUTRO Natural Choice Dry Dog Food Recipes. Made for large breed adult dogs, this dry food is designed to help keep your big dog trim with a tailored blend of protein and fiber. It's formulated to support healthy joints, contains natural sources of glucosamine and chondroitin, and provides essential antioxidants for healthy immunity. As part of the NUTRO FEED CLEAN philosophy, this delicious chicken and brown rice recipe starts with a high-quality protein source as the first ingredient and is made with real, recognizable ingredients sourced from trusted farmers and suppliers. Plus, it's made with non-GMO ingredients and has no chicken byproduct meal, corn, wheat, or soy. So you can feel good feeding your dog recipes that are rich in nutrients and full of flavor. Trace amounts may be present due to potential cross-contact during manufacturing. Top reviews from the United States. NUTRO Natural Choice Chicken. I sometimes switch up my dog's food every couple of years. I wean by adding a little less of the old food each feeding, and a little more of the new, until it's only the new in his bowl. This time though, his old food had also put some extra weight on him, so I switched to this NUTRO chicken. My dog really likes it and literally licks the bowl after he's done eating, haha. He has definitely lost a few pounds, so I'm happy with it, and will stick to this for a while.